Have you ever experienced that familiar burning sensation in your muscles during an intense workout, leaving you curious about its origin? What exactly is happening within your body when you push your physical limits? That sensation often signals the production of lactic acid, which occurs primarily when your muscles are working so hard that the oxygen supply cannot keep up with the energy demand. This process is scientifically known as anaerobic metabolism, meaning without oxygen. Our cells typically generate energy very efficiently through a pathway called aerobic respiration, where glucose is fully broken down with ample oxygen to produce a large amount of ATP, our body's energy currency. However, during high-intensity activities like sprinting or heavy weightlifting, your cardiovascular system simply cannot deliver oxygen to the working muscles quickly enough. When this oxygen deficit occurs, your muscle cells switch to an alternative, faster, but less efficient energy pathway called anaerobic glycolysis. In this pathway, glucose is still broken down into pyruvate, but instead of entering the mitochondria for further aerobic processing, pyruvate is converted into lactate. This conversion is crucial because it regenerates a molecule called NAD+, which is essential to keep glycolysis going and allow your muscles to continue producing some ATP even without sufficient oxygen. Understanding these conditions means you can recognize when your body is shifting its energy production. That muscle burn or fatigue you feel is a direct result of these metabolic changes and the accumulation of hydrogen ions that accompany lactate production. It is important to remember that lactic acid itself is not a waste product that causes lasting harm. Instead, it is a temporary vital energy intermediate that helps sustain muscle activity under extreme conditions. The body is remarkably adept at clearing lactate from the muscles, often converting it back to glucose in the liver through the Cori cycle, or using it as fuel in less active muscle cells and the heart. Moreover, lactic acid, or more precisely, lactate, is not merely a byproduct. It is an important fuel source for various tissues, including the heart, brain, and even other muscles. Scientists refer to this as the lactate shuttle, highlighting its role in interorgan communication and energy distribution throughout the body. From being a harmful toxin, lactate serves as a quick energy boost during intense exercise and helps extend your performance capabilities. By appreciating the specific conditions under which lactic acid is produced and its dynamic role in energy metabolism, you can better understand your body's amazing capacity to adapt to physical demands. This knowledge empowers you to optimize your training and approach intense physical activity with greater insight into your body's incredible internal chemistry and resilience.